Hi and welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here in Southwest London. Today we're going to be installing one system, and that is a Myenergi system. We're going to be installing a 5 kWh Libby battery, a 5 kWh Libby inverter, and we're also going to be installing a 7 kW charger, that is a SAPI, and an eddy and a HAVI. And also we're going to be adding to this installation 13 panels of pair lights, 295 watts. So let's get to the race. This is a property that's been going on under renovation, which means that we came early and we fitted the hooks prior of actually getting the tiles done. So we fitted the hooks while the buttons were there, and then when we came here today and we measured the roof, and then we fitted the brackets and the rails, and now we're going to be installing the panels. The Myenergi Libby inverter. It's a 5 kW inverter, and we have here the battery, and this installation is quite special for us because we've installed this one here, a backup system. So here we have an isolator for the backup, so that's going back to the consumer board, and the backup consumer board, which in this property you have few things connected to it. And in here we have AC isolator for the inverter. And the usual, we have here a PV isolator, which is solar isolator, and then we have the surge protection here in this case. So inside the house we have a backup consumer board, and at the moment the customer is deciding what to put on that, and the maximum that can be on that backup consumer board is 4.6 kW, and it's been the energy is coming directly from the inverter. And then you have a normal consumer board that we always fit, which is a combined consumer board for the PV and the solar. And also we have a consumer board for the solar, and with that consumer board we've also included the EV charger, and that means we have another 2 isolators under the stairs. So in this property, why is this system quite special? It's because it's a completely one system. That means the car charger is from Myenergi, the batteries and inverter are from Myenergi, the diverter is from Myenergi, so it's a one in all system. Having one system means having one app to monitor on a single app, and also means that the energy coming from the batteries are not being drained by the car, and because there was going to be a direct communication between the inverter and the charger. This is why installing Myenergi all-in-one system makes complete sense to most customers, because they already have a SAPI charger, and installing Myenergi Libby battery and an inverter, and makes it all easier for them. They can monitor everything in one app, and they can configure their system quite easily. So on this installation we have different elevations and different orientations. So this one is the highest elevation. It's obviously, as you can see, it's a flat roof, and we have 4 panels here, a pair light 295 watts, and they will be facing south. And on the pitch roof we have 5 panels facing west, and on the lower flat roof we have 4 panels facing west too. And it will be a total of 13 panels, and it will be an outputting system of 3.8 kW system. So we've completed the installation. So as you can see, we have now 4 panels on this flat roof facing south, and 5 panels on this pitch roof facing west, and 4 panels on the lower flat roof facing west too. So if you're interested in having a system like this one, where you have a single system like Myenergi or maybe a Victron system, you can always contact us at nextdaysolar.co.uk, and if you fill in the form, we'll be in touch with you very quickly. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.